Hey guys, so today to celebrate National Bird Day, I'm here with Brian at PetSmart, and he's gonna go ahead and talk to us about these sun conures. And Brian, what do these little guys need to have a good life at home?
Well, basically, it's just like a lot of spacing. Normally, some people like give them very confined spacing sometimes. Naturally, you'd rather either have them flying around your house or a big cage, to be honest.
And so is this big cage a good size for them, or do you think they'd still need more space than that?
For them, yeah, it's fine. Since they're both lovebirds, they both like to be very attached to each other.
So they would need to be together.
Yeah.
So I mean, you would sell them separately, but the best way is for them to stay together.
Yeah, the best way is normally to have them stay together since they're already like in a relationship type of thing, basically.
Right. And what about these guys right here, the cockatiel?
The cockatoos, no, they're not lovebirds right now. They're just there, to be honest.
Okay. And they got these little finches.
They like whatever, to be honest. They don't barely bother, like in their spacing habitats at least. They're
so
small.
they can live
wherever, to be honest.
And they can live in groups like that.
Yeah. So basically, kind of like pigeons in a way.
Like pigeons.
Like how they just flock around.
And then over here we have these guys. I guess they're also like, are they finches? Yeah, they're kind of like finches.
They're cockatoos, I'm pretty sure.
And these are just like the ones over there, right?
No, they're actually just their own separate like bird species, basically.
Okay. And
These two aren't lovebirds. They're just like friendly towards each other. But then that one with the little bald spot on his head is the crown one, basically.
Oh.
He's the dominant one.
Dominant. He's already chasing that guy. And these guys. And what kind of food do you suggest people feed these guys at home so that they can live a healthy life?
Normally, it's depending on their bird sizes. So smaller birds, you know, smaller seeds, smaller fruit-like appendages. Anything small, to be honest, for small birds at least. Now, bigger birds, you know, they're gonna need like walnuts, anything bigger in size, sunflower seeds, anything like that.
All right, so thank you, Brian.
No problem.